Don't you find it annoying that you have to hold on to the barn door so it will not make a loud banging sound when it hits the stopper? Well, I found the solution and I don't even have to replace or remove the barn door track. This is the Donyang 2-pieces barn door soft close mechanism kit, designed to give barn doors a close soft effect. Although this soft close mechanism is mostly made of plastic, it is strong enough to catch a barn door that is 70 to 160 pounds. There should be two identical soft close mechanisms included in the package, and all the required parts and screws that is needed to complete this installation. This part on my left hand is the actuator. This is the part that you're going to install on the barn door. And the actuator is the one that the soft close mechanism is going to catch to make the barn door close slowly. Also included is the instruction manual on how to install the soft close mechanism and the actuator to a typical barn door. And I'm also going to show you some steps and some tips on how I install it. And it was easier than I thought, only because I didn't have to take down my barn door. The first step that I took was to slide the barn door on the side where I'm going to install first. Bringing the soft close mechanism with me, I took note on where the barn door stopper is and see if I have enough space behind the track to insert the soft close mechanism. Now pushing the barn door away and doing a quick dry fit, I realized that I have to loosen and move the stopper to make room for the soft close mechanism. Now that I'm able to fit the soft close mechanism behind the track, I can start tightening the screws to secure them both. Now it's time to mark where the actuator is going to go. I didn't realize that I did not take a video on how I installed the actuator. But following the instruction, it is as simple as closing the barn door and making sure that the soft close mechanism is in close mode. Then slide the actuator into the opening of the soft close mechanism. Once you got it in, the screw hole of the actuator should be exposed enough for you to screw it in and you're done. And now I'm off to the other side and have taken the same steps. I also have to move the stopper to make room for the soft close mechanism behind the track. And once I'm able to fit it in, I tighten the stopper and the soft close mechanism. But this time you're going to see me marking where the actuator needs to go. After I finalize my mark, I inserted the actuator and screw it in and I'm all done. Please note that although I was able to complete this install without taking down my barn door, your barn door might have a different track, and you might need to take it down to properly install and secure the actuator. So guys, here's the finished product. Now it's time to find a quiet locking mechanism. So guys, this is the 2-pieces barn door soft close mechanism by Donyang. Please don't forget to subscribe and thanks for watching.